Okay, so we're going to take a look at an app called Speech Buttons, and this was primarily built to help children that may be nonverbal, sort of like an AAC communication device within class. And what it is, there are over 80 different screens with lots of different bubbles on, from numbers to letters to feelings, skills and food, opposites, and science. And the great thing about this app is that you can, obviously with using the guided access you have now on the iPad, you can lock onto one screen, so they can be talking about colors or even be playing bingo on here. And I'll show you some of these. Some of the options down the bottom which make this really nice is you can have a boy voice or a girl voice, and let me just show you the difference.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's go and have a look at the girl voice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so you get an idea there. Head back out. We'll put it back on boy. Also, settings and arrow button. You've got it on show right now. And what that does, if you look in the top left, you can skip to the next screen. Now, like I said, if you wanted to use guided access, or maybe you didn't want to have it as restricted as that, you can simply go in and put it on hide, go back into the picture, and then what you have to do is, you'll see there's no arrows up here to move. To change from the next screen or go back to the home page, you drag your finger from the top right to the bottom left and it will bring you back to here. So that may be one way to keep them in the app. You can request a feature, which is really cool. Just write in and let them know what you'd like to see in the app, and of course write a review and report a problem if you need to. But let's go ahead and have a look at some of the buttons. So numbers, everywhere, anywhere from counting up to 5, things like this.
1, 2, 3.
And I'm actually going to go back and put the arrows on so we can skip through quickly. Counting up to 20.
1, 2, 3, 14, 15, 16.
I'll just skip through some of these to show you. In 2s.
2, 4, 6.
5s. And in 10s. And so on. So you get the idea that there's a lot of different ways to use numbers. Now, one cool thing about this is bingo, which I really like. So you can actually play a game of bingo within the class, and if you look at the numbers up here, they do change every time you go back. They're not the same number. So if we go back in again, you'll see the first one under B is number 1, and if we go in, it's number 9. So they're never the same numbers at the same time, and you can play
B, I, 3, G, 56, 72.
And you can play a cool game of bingo. So let's have a look at some of the other stuff, because this is really neat. Letters, everything from the simple ABC,
A, B, C,
all the way to sign language,
A, B, C,
showing you all of those. If we go one more, it gives you a keyboard,
H, E, L, L, O.
so they can even start learning how to type on there. Let's go back out and look at the next one. Feelings, simple as
Happy, sad,
we'll scroll through some of these.
happy, sad, happy, sad, mad.
Just giving you an idea of what's on here.
I need a break. May I have a drink, please? I need to go to the bathroom.
So it's really neat, and the quality of the voices are really good, both boy and girl. And this one is especially cool. Where does it hurt?
It hurts here. It hurts here. It hurts here.
I really like that one. So let's go back out. Skills and food is the next topic. And we'll scroll through some of these. Let's start off down here.
Napkin, fork, plate, knife, spoon.
Learning how to set the table. Lots of different things.
Taco, burger,
Ice creams, milks,
Coke, Sprite,
sodas,
orange,
and so on. Go back out. Let's have a look at opposites. And again, this is pretty cool the way it's done.
above, below, big, little, day, night.
I'll scroll through some for you. let's look at the last one, which is science. And we're learning about colors.
Red, green, blue, yellow.
More colors. Different shapes.
Triangle, star.
Days of the week. Months of the year. All the way down to
April 5th, 2011. Fall, winter, spring, summer.
So endless possibilities with this
sunny.
app. It really is very, very cool. And like I said, over 80 different boards there for you to play with and choose from. This one here to show you very quickly, even body parts
Arm, eyes, ear, body.
and stuff like that. So check it out. I think it's great, and it's called Speech Buttons. And it really is a very, very useful app, especially for children learning to use AAC devices or that need some sort of help communicating in a class. So have a look.